Hi folks, Mark here, Views from Mark. I hope you're keeping safe, healthy and well as always. I'm back in the Amiga boutique here in Covent Garden. As you can see, we're in the lounge. Amazing space here. But I'm joined by someone who you will likely recognise and know very well, introducing the president of 007GB, Mr. Phil Dewhurst.
Ta-da!
Phil, how are you doing?
I'm very well, thanks.
Now,
Yourself?
I'm doing good. I'm excited about what's about to happen because to give you guys an idea of what's going on, you have seen and heard about this new Amiga Speedmaster Moonwatch with the white dial, but you've not actually seen one in person.
I haven't. No. They're like hen's teeth. I mean, they're so scarce.
They are, indeed. So when I was in here the other day visiting the store for the first time, I was speaking with one of the wonderful staff here, and they said they did have one in stock that wasn't currently assigned to anyone. And if I wanted to wheel out on the day with it, I could do. But I knew that you, Mr. President, were after a look at one at least. Whether you're going to get one or not, who knows. But I put a call in to my contact here, and very kindly they've offered to put one aside. So you're about to see it for the first time.
For the first time. I'm very excited. I think it's a beautiful watch.
It is.
It gives me all sorts of different feels. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
So yeah,
I mean, if nothing else, you know, cheers.
cheers to your good health.
But yeah, I mean, I picked up a new Amiga this year. I got the Seamaster 300 from the Heritage range, and I really like the way this looks because it gives me the sort of vintage Rolex vibes with the colour scheme, and obviously it looks like the Spectre watch as well. And as an all-rounder, it's a really comfortable everyday watch. But much like yourself, one's never enough, is it?
Never.
I already have more than one, but maybe today I'm going to get another one. Who knows? I don't know.
Who knows? But Amiga here have furnished us with champagne, as you can see. Phil, let me ask you one more question whilst we wait for the watch to come out and make an appearance. What do you make of this brand new boutique?
I think it's great, and I think you're right. You've still got that new paint smell.
You do, yeah.
I think the space is well laid out. To put the lounge area at the back is obviously a good idea. Sometimes you have them off at the side, and I think visually when you come in, you've got that full look down. You've got the gold spaceman. You've got the displays either side and the nice chandelier centerpiece. I think it's well laid out.
Right. So here we go, folks.
So nice,
Let's
yeah?
have a look. There you go, Phil.
First time you try on, sir?
First time I've seen it.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
That's amazing. So I don't know if you had the chance to see the black one with the black step dial. It's the same model we launched at the end of 2021. The main difference is, of course, is the dial. It's the first time as Amiga we use this glossy lacquer dial on the step dial. And I don't know if you noticed the indices and number are applied, which give you a little bit of movement. It's not so flat as it was. And definitely it's got more, I would say, vintage details for the bracelet and clasp and everything. But the main thing is master chronometer. So it cannot be affected from magnetic field and allows you to have a service every 10 years from this watch, which is amazing. It's still minor winding because we want to keep the original idea of the movement, but it's got now 50-hour powered service, so
It's very nice.
it's beautiful.
It's very nice.
There we go. Yeah, stunning.
See, I'm not too good at these sort of. How do you do it, Mark?
The watch roll.
Is it sort of like that?
That's the one. That's the money shot right there. What are you thinking, Phil? What do you think?
I like the weight. I like the balance, the feel of it. I absolutely adore the look, the white, the black, and then the Speedmaster in the very bold red. Yeah.
I always say the dial is a
nice.
mixture of the Snoopy 45th anniversary Alaska project in terms of color and idea. But also the
And again,
shape.
and I expand.
Yeah, no, it's
Like a
completely
bloater
normal.
fish, yes.
It's
so,
normal.
so having that little bit of
Yeah.
movement, because yes, quite often I adjust that in there when I'm feeling a
Yeah,
little
it's
bit.
got a little one as well here. So if you push here,
Yeah, the
you
same
release
thing, isn't it?
Yeah, and then you push it back. I'm gonna try with the free links. Let's see how it goes, and then eventually I can remove it.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah.
It will take about 10-15 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah.
But yeah,
So I'll finish.
I'll take it.
Yeah, we'll be back.
Lovely.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. I did do that. Off camera, I did do that, but I didn't do it as douchey as that. I did actually just carefully go, yes, very nice, thank you, and placed it down nicely. I didn't throw it down, I promise.
So Phil, you've just seen the watch for the first time, and I think you've made a decision, haven't you?
I did.
What is your decision?
I decided to take it.
So, no pressure from me, folks. I'm purely making this connection.
He didn't
but
do the hard sell.
I didn't do the hard sell.
He didn't need to. I just tried it on and I loved it straight away.
Well, the watch speaks for itself, doesn't it? And
does.
what I told you about that red contrast of the Speedmaster at the top of the dial there,
That's
the
what
face.
just totally tips it over the edge for me. That's it. I need to have it. I know straight away when I try a watch on whether I like it or not.
Yeah.
And I know whether I'm going to buy it or not. And I
Yeah.
tried it on and I wanted it.
Well, I think you're definitely, I maybe know of one other person at the time of recording that has this watch. You're now going to be the second, so congratulations. So we're just doing some paperwork now that's just been delivered. But yeah, there we go. That's how easy a decision it was, I suppose, for you, Phil. But thank you for letting us come on this journey with you.
No problem.
I mean, it's a fairly quick one, but yeah, congratulations.
Well, I could have dragged it out, but I'm an efficient guy. If I'm doing something, I'm doing something.
Yes.
Honestly, if I'd have tried it on and I didn't like it, I would have said, thank you very much, but no thanks.
Yeah.
So
Right now they're adjusting the bracelet size, obviously, for Phil's wrist. So yeah, we'll come back with an update when we're at the next stage. Stay tuned.
One more?
maybe.
Yeah?
Yeah, one
Let
more.
me just double check if the extension is open. I think it's closed. Just in case I left it open. No, I think it's closed.
So this is the fitting part, making sure that the links are all correct.
So definitely
Yeah,
one more.
that's-
Because with two, I think it would be too tight. Yeah, one
Yeah,
more.
one more.
Yeah.
Otherwise it's
Yeah.
bobbing about like a windsock.
Yeah.
So this is it. One more adjustment to go, but Phil,
Nearly there.
Nearly there. Nearly there.
Oh, it does look nice, doesn't it?
It does.
I mean, look at that.
There we go.
It even matches the red stripe in the jacket, actually.
It's true, you got the color white, black,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, it actually does blend with the jacket.
He's just going to have to wear that jacket all the time. Every day.
There we go. One more to go, folks.
Yeah, I think one more.
Yeah, one more. Yeah.
Have a small.
We don't, I'm afraid. But you'll be surprised to know that the inside box, it transforms into a smaller travel box.
Isn't that just dandy?
So there. You do have a smaller box inside.
Perfect. Wonderful.
Would you be taking that away with you today, or we can always have it delivered to you? Because I know you do have book signing tonight. You've mentioned as
Yes.
well.
No, I'll take it with me.
Yeah, you'll take it with you. I'll give you more of a discreet bag then in that case, just so that it's not a bag. Yeah.
So here we go. Attempt number 2. Second one,
I
Phil.
know.
It's too tight now, yeah. Did you just take one out?
Just one. So I got in total three inside, 4 inside.
See, that's where
The
that's
right
the
size,
right
yeah,
size. It's a nice watch.
It's already on time, ready to be used. I left all the plastic on the clasp and the case back just in case, I don't know.
Well, in case I change my mind.
No. Because every time I go, oh, why you took it? Okay, I'm gonna leave it.
Do you want me to do the role from my perspective?
Go for it.
Yeah. Yeah. Is it recording?
It is recording, yeah.
Okay. So, because I would kind of do it like that, right?
Yeah.
My accent is so embarrassing. Don't say you don't know me.
Is that how you do it?
Yeah, that's how you do it. It's a beautiful watch. It's really nice.
It's amazing, yeah.
Very good. Very good.
Just in case you need to use it as a still or anything.
Okay, there we go.
That's going on.
Better take that off.
I'm gonna wear it now, sir. Down.
I think that's a yes.
Yeah. I might as well wear it out.